What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Oh, get the fuck out of here. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, out for a quick ride. Let's start her up. Oh yeah. That Bassani sounds too good. Alright, let's go put some miles in. Now, yesterday I was supposed to go on my first bike trip to Americade in Lake George, but I wasn't gonna head up there by myself. I was supposed to go with my dad, but my dad's sick right now. And then next week is Laconia, which is what I really wanted to go. I really wanted to do that trip up there to New Hampshire, but it's also next weekend is Father's Day, and it's my first Father's Day, so as a dad, so I will not be going. I want to stay home and be with my family, but it's something definitely on the list to do next year. That's all. I'm okay with missing out on this year, as long as within the next year or two, if I can do it, that would make me very happy. Now, I think this was like a week or two ago, I noticed when I rode my bike into work, and on my lunch break I went to take the bike out, and it's almost like one of the cylinders misfired. I don't know if that's actually what it was, but that's what it felt like. It was really weird, and I think it is because I need new spark plugs. And I noticed that they're supposed to be replaced every 10,000 miles. I'm at a little over 13, I'm almost at 14,000 miles. So that's something I'm just trying to hold off to my next service is coming up, so while it's at the shop I'll have them replace it. There we go. Now we're moving. I wanted to hurry up and get out this morning before it thunderstorms. I seen it was supposed to rain today, so I wasn't sure what time. So once I seen it got pushed off to the evening time, I was like, oh, let me hurry up and scoot out real quick. But right now it's like 62 degrees out. This is like the perfect weather I enjoy really riding in, because it's not hot and it doesn't get too chilly when you're up at higher speeds. So this, I could be on the bike all day. Man, the wind's really hitting me. Now, I have the Harley Davidson Softail quarter fairing on my bike, and it's color matched to this Barracuda silver metallic. Now, I really I enjoy the way it looks, and it does help a lot, but with me commuting on the bike, yeah, most of the time when I'm on roads like this where I'm doing 55 to 65 for a long period of time, I noticed I'm like, okay, I need a little more wind coverage. So I'm hoping in the future that I can go with something like a Memphis Shades. That would be the perfect fairing for this. Dang, I don't see nobody out riding today. Usually on this road, it's pretty busy. It's a pretty popular road where people ride on, and I haven't seen one person out on the bikes. Alright, if I ride through this town and go on, there's a long straight, if I don't see one more person, like if I don't see anyone at all, man, everyone's hiding today, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it is going to rain, that's probably why, but it says it's not gonna rain for a while. It's cloudy, but it's not raining yet. As I'm getting closer and closer back to home, I see it's progressively getting darker. So you know what that means? We gotta ride faster. This is a really nice picture spot. I like the background. the way my fairing looks. It just, and this one broke on me. Like, I don't know why Harley made back here, the spots where it attaches to the bracket, there's like these rubber grommets. And one day I was riding on the highway and it started flapping on me, and I was like, what the heck? I was so upset. I know there's aftermarket companies that make the fairing, but it's a lot. And then I have to get it color matched, and they make a taller windshield for it, but I don't like the way it looks because it just looks like a really long thumbnail. So definitely I think a Memphis Shades is probably my best option. I'm definitely gonna replace my headlight. The thing is, my headlight looks really good, but when I turn on my lights, my turn signals, let me turn on my LED bar. Everything is so much brighter than my headlight. So that's why eventually I'm gonna change my headlight out so it matches everything else. Oh yeah. I mean, the other night I was riding home, it was like almost midnight, and that LED bar from Rogue Rider Industries is the bomb, because it's essentially another headlight basically. So I don't even need my high beam at all when I have that light bar on there. Now this is something that's annoying me. I have a Bassani exhaust and have a Reinhardt racing air filter, but it's really Arlen-esque, but Reinhardt has their name on the outside, so I'm trying to find just the cover, but I might eventually replace the whole thing. The thing is, I just replaced the filter, so I don't know, I'm undecided. If I really like, Harley makes a couple of nice ones, but I really like Arlen-esque's product, and I think Performance Machine and Trask, they make ones that are see-through. But I heard some people say the inside gets really dirty, so I don't know, I'm undecided about what I'm gonna do with that. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you soon. Peace.